Let me show you something that's changing the game for Forex traders. You're looking at AI Max Pro EA in action, an automated trading bot that never sleeps, never panics, and never misses a good trade. While most of us are overthinking every candle or hesitating on entries, this thing is already in the trade, securing profits and moving on to the next one. And here's the crazy part. Everything you see here is fully automated. No human intervention. Let's zoom in on the chart for a second. AUDUS-D, M1 timeframe. There was a clear drop. The moving average is sloping down. Price is hovering near a support level. RSI's at 55. Kinda neutral, right? Now, if you're trading manually, you'd be thinking, do I short here, wait for confirmation, set a tight stop? But the bot already decided, already executed. Now check out this list of closed trades. Every one of these was done by AI Max Pro EA. No wild swings, no red trades, just clean, calculated profits. In total, that's $2,641 from just 6 trades. And these aren't lucky hits. The EA sets stop loss and take profit automatically. It manages risk and volume, reacts to the trend, and doesn't second guess like humans do. Let me show you the power of AI Max Pro EA. In just 1 week, this bot turned small trades into over $2,300 in clean profit. No stress, no charts, no sleepless nights. In a month, it scaled up, racking in over $29,000, completely automated 24/5. And in 3 months, brace yourself, over $82,000 in total profit. Yes, all hands off, thanks to smart AI and tight risk control. Right now, the lifetime profit is sitting at over $187,000. Let that sink in. This isn't a signal service or copy trading. This is your bot, on your account, trading for you. It works 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It never gets tired, and it never takes risky guesses. And yeah, of course there's risk. It's trading. But the difference here is the consistency, the structure, the control. No revenge trading, no missed setups, no emotions. It's like hiring a full-time professional trader, except it doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, and doesn't take weekends off. So if you're the kind of trader who's tired of being glued to charts all day, or you've been burning out trying to time the market manually, maybe it's time to do things smarter. Let AI Max Pro EA handle the grind, while you focus on your life, your goals, your freedom. If this sounds like the kind of trading assistant you need, check out the link below.